To set up mobile data limit in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the connections, and then when you enter it, we'll be able to find data usage. Here, select billing cycle and data warning, and now we'll be able to set up all of the settings. So first thing is to pick a day where your billing cycle starts. So we're gonna go for the first day of the month. Then we can just say the data warning. If you activate it, you will get a data warning warning you that you've consumed that amount of data that you can adjust right here. So for example, when we use 2 GB of data, we'll get a data warning. Lastly, we can use set a data limit, which basically cuts off our internet from mobile data when we reach that limit. So if you use 5 GB of your internet, then it will cut out the rest of it, so you won't be able to use your internet anymore. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.